Welcome to dinManage. This video introduces you to the dinManage website and how to perform various operations in it. A feature-rich dashboard provides visual representation of your data. The dashboard has key metrics at a glance, including the data related to machines, IP addresses, VPNs, and ports. Top activities and hardware provisioning data is shown using visually appealing charts. Let's go through the various menus of dinManage to get a better understanding. Expand virtual machines and click Servers. The Servers page provides you with a list of all your servers along with their specifications and allows you to perform various actions on them. These actions include stop, reset, remote console, configure, update password, switch network, delete, convert to template, clone VM, and view logs. The deprovision page provides you with a list of all acquired products which are now deprovisioned. You can restore a deprovisioned machine using this page. The Security tab provides you with an array of security features enabling you to secure your cloud and data. The IP address page enables you to manage your public and private IPs. You can add up to 8 subnetworks within your virtual private data center using the Private IP tab. You can also requisition public IP to allow access to your virtual machines directly over the internet using the Public IP tab. The ports page is used to enable port forwarding. That allows remote computers to connect to a specific virtual machine or service within your private subnetworks. The VPN page allows you to create site-to-site IPsec VPN tunnels to connect your existing on-premise cloud with your virtual private data center hosted on dinManage. The SSL VPN page allows you to add secure socket layer VPN tunnels, as well as manage users who have access to the SSL VPN functionality. The Templates page under the Library tab provides you with a list of all your saved VM templates, which can be used to configure and purchase new VMs based on template configuration. You can manage templates using the same page. The Bundles page displays information related to product bundles. The ISO page displays information related to managed ISOs. The Active Directory page under the Tools tab lists all the Active Directories set up under your account. It allows you to create a new domain in your dinCloud data center or register your existing Active Directory infrastructure. The Task Scheduler page allows all scheduled tasks for your VMs. You can also schedule new tasks using this page. The Users tab allows you to manage your account users, that is, managing users, managing user groups, and manage access profiles. The Individual page allows management of users. You can view and edit existing users as well as create new user accounts. The Groups page allows management of groups. You can add new groups as well as view and edit existing groups. The Roles page allows you to view, copy, and assign roles to profiles. The Settings tab lets you manage your dinManage account. You can update your user and company information, enable email notifications, enable or disable two-factor authentication, update your billing address, manage your API key, as well as change your account password. The Activity tab displays activity logs for your account. Logs can be exported as CSV files from the same tab. This video showed how to use the dinManage interface. For more information, please refer to the dinManage user guide.